emergency hotbox here, plenty of information. So what we've got in here then, we've got is an instruction booklet. No tools again, just the instruction book. They're generally not too bad, they give you parts and things like that in there. And then we've got a truck. So I've gone for a red one. So there we are, it's quite a heavy truck. You can see it's bubble wrap round. It's sealed in. It's quite a nice red colour, that. It's slightly metallic. There we are, that's out of there. Wrapped underneath here is radio. There we are. New Challenger. Vented tyres again. These tyres feel a little bit, they feel nice and soft, slightly sticky. So yeah, so this is a Challenger. So we'll have a quick look at the instruction book. So we've got a few stickers here. This is for sticking around here and on the truck, wherever you want. And then the instruction book. Generally quite a good instruction book. I use RTGs. As you can see, you get a full breakdown. And you get full parts list. So full parts list there with all part numbers and everything. The only problem I've found with RTG in the future or in the past is that obviously you've got all the part numbers here, but actually getting hold of the parts is not quite as easy, and some of the parts are not widely available. So, but yeah, I've got the parts there. So just looking here at the tyres, it looks like the tyres must be glued on, and it does say that they are distinguishable between the left and right, so they are handed. So obviously you get a spare, and if that's glued on, it's only really suitable to go at one side of your truck. But never mind, it's nice to have a full size tyre and wheel as a spare anyway. So as far as this truck, it does have 2-speed. There's a 2-speed transmission in here. It has a dig, so you've got a full dig as well. And I think it's got just 2-wheel drive, which is just front wheel drive only. It looks like the connectors come with a Dean's, so that'll take a Dean's battery. 2S or 3S compatible. There is some channel spare on the receiver as well. so you could put extra lights on and things like that. It does come with some lights. I'll have to get those working and have a look. So when we look underneath here, you can see there's a fair bit of plastic about, but there is the standard C channel, which is a metal channel running throughout, and as you can see here, there's metal joints down. The truck's partly metal, or the axles, they're partly metal, partly plastic ends. So as far as, I think it's a 25 kilogram server. Just yeah, 25 kilogram server at the front there, and I believe it's a 25 kilogram server at the back here for the winch. So this has got a rear winch on it as well. So right then, it looks a nice little truck that, so we'll get some batteries charged up and see how it goes. So one of the first jobs really to do on this truck before I take it out anywhere is to grease up. So as you can see, I'm just taking all the bolts out of here, and you can see in there there's very little in there at all. Very small amount of grease in this one here. In fact, there's probably more grease in this one than there was in the other three. So a good bit of grease put in there, and then I'll check the differentials as well. So while I've got this truck stripped down here, greasing it up, I'm just going to show you a quick comparison between the Challenger and the Tracer. So the Challenger here, first of all, it's got a two-stage spring set up in the front, whereas the Tracer's just got a single spring, as you can see there. Also, the universal joint on the drive shaft is a different type, as you can see there. Also, the angle is a lot different. And one big difference as well is the server is mounted horizontal on the Tracer, and it's mounted vertically on the Challenger. One of the problems that I did have on the Tracer was these little screws coming undone. A lot of movement on these screws. As you can see, that's probably eliminated with this plastic setup, as there's no screws there. Alright, thanks for watching this part of the video. I'll take another video when we get out on the tracks. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thanks.